If you had fun improvising on the black keys in my last video, you'll definitely enjoy playing and learning the white keys in this video. Let's start with the note that sits right in between any set of two black keys. So this one right here. Whenever you see a group of two black keys, the white key in the middle is D. Think of it as the dog, so D for dog, and it's the dog with two black ears. Try finding all the D's across the keyboard. Here are mine. So there's two black keys, and right in the middle, that's a D. Yeah, another two black keys, D. My dog with two ears. You can pause the video and try and find them by yourself. So now that you know where D is, let's find the two notes on either side. To the left of D is C, and to the right of D is E. So, wherever there is a set of two black keys, you'll find C, D, and E. Try playing C, D, E from the lowest part of your keyboard to the highest, like this. So you'll go C, D, E. Here's another group of two, so C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E. I want us to do that again, but this time we'll play along to a backing track. So here's the backing track. 1, 2, ready, go. C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E. And on it goes. So you can do that as many times as you want. Now let's add two more notes, F and G. So this is C, D, and E. Next to it are F and G. So now we have C, D, E, F, and G. Try playing these notes across the keyboard again from the left to the right. Like I did in the previous one, you can say the names of the notes or sing them as you play. So just like this. C, D, E, F, G, 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 C, D, E, F, G. So now, I want us to use those 5 notes, C, D, E, F, and G, in a little improvisation. Remember, when you improvise, you play whatever you want. You can repeat a note if you want. You can rest in between the notes. And you can even play in a different range of the keyboard if you want. So you can play a little bit here, then jump maybe to here. I'll play a little bit with the backing track, and then feel free to download that same backing track and practice your own improvisation. So here's my improvisation. I'm jumping to the next. So thanks for joining me again. In the next lesson, which is right here, we're going to cover some basic piano technique. But before you click on that link, please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you really want to continue improving your piano playing. I'll see you in the next video.